Hello, welcome back. So all the LEGO Friends 2026 summer sets are revealed. So first, this is Koala Habitat and Care Center. So there's also like an airplane and like swings and lots of stuff, and it's actually much bigger than I expected, and it looks so cute, don't you think? We have about like 4 koalas included in this set, and the mini dolls outfits look really nice too, like koala t-shirt, and there's like lots of koalas drawn on their clothes, and it's actually much bigger than the panda care sanctuary set last year, don't you think? The koalas look so cute, and the mini dolls, there's like also this room for the mini dolls and like beds and where they can like sleep. This looks so cute, don't you think? I think it looks so amazing. So this was the koala set, and the next one is the biggest set this summer, LEGO Friends Heartlake City Grand Hotel. So it looks so awesome, don't you think? And guess what? Patch is getting married, which is actually kind of strange because I thought Patch was their friend, but somehow Patch is getting married. Anyway, this looks so cute, and the elevator is really nice too, but I'm not so sure why it's like this sort of like an open elevator, but it looks really nice. So we have 6 mini dolls in this set and 2 animals, like 2 cats. Yes. And it's also quite interesting because we have like 2 elevators, one on the right side and one on the left side. So we've got like 2 elevators. Yep, which is interesting. And in the 3rd floor, like we have like pianos and like where they can dance and like cakes. And in the 2nd floor, it kind of looks like the bedroom. And the 1st floor is like the main hall. And they can also like get married like outside. And the bathroom looks very nice too. And yeah, it looks so cute, don't you think? And Leanne's new pants look cool as well. So the woman that Patch is marrying, her name is Astrid, and she's also included in another set in these like summer sets, like this flower shop set. Yep, so this is how it looks like. It looks so fantastic, don't you think? I'm not so sure about the other countries, but like in my country, this is almost as expensive as the modern house set. But come to think about it, maybe Patch is not their friend. He's the one that was included in the apartments and shop set, and he was like living alone with his cats. So yeah, maybe Patch is an adult. Probably. Anyway, so this is like this mermaid roller coaster set, and this set is also quite expensive as well. I don't know why Lego is getting like so expensive these days. It's so stressing me out. But anyway, this roller coaster does look quite nice. So we have like a lot of like amusement park sort of things this summer, and these like 2 mermaids look so cool. Like their tails are like so glittery and shiny. And there's also like little dolls that kind of look like whales, and also like a cotton candy as well. I think this set looks very cute, don't you think? The roller coaster looks so like exciting. Like I hate riding roller coasters because it's so scary, but like these roller coaster toys look so interesting. So this is the mermaid roller coaster set, and I think it looks so cute, and there's also like photos and stuff like that. And let's check out the next set now. It's like cozy cabin set, and it's the same price as this mermaid set, but it actually looks much bigger, and it even has more pieces. So I'm not so sure why it's the same price. I think the mermaid roller coaster set should be a little bit less expensive than this one. But anyway, there's also like this hot bath place thing, and they're also wearing like very warm looking like autumn clothes. Looks so cute, right? And the inside is also really nice and cozy. And there's also like hot dogs, sausages, and there's like 2 floors inside. It looks very cozy. And there's also like a squirrel. And what's interesting is that it says this set is going to be revealed in like August 1st. But like if I change the location into my country, it says that it's going to be revealed on January, June 1st. So I'm not so sure why it says it's August in like other countries. So I'm not so sure if it's going to be revealed on August or June, but I thought like all summer sets were supposed to be like revealed in like June. But anyway, let's see the next set now. Anyway, there's also spinning flower and fairy teacup ride. This looks, oh, sorry, I started at the fourth photo. Yeah, there you go. Looks so cute, right? And it is expensive, but it's not as like crazy expensive as the other one. So I think this one looks very cute. And Alia's new face print looks really nice too. Like she's very happily smiling, and her new like cardigan looks so wonderful too. And Leon's like kind of like a jacket looks really nice too, don't you think? And they got like wigs and like photo booth and stuff like that, and these all like photos and stuff like that look so cute. And they can also like wear wings and stuff like that. And this is also kind of like an amusement park, like this. It's a ride, right? Like this turning thing, and you can pay with your phone. That's very interesting. Looks so cute, right? And there's like a butterfly drone at the back of Alia's cardigan. Looks so cute. This one looks so wonderful, like flower, spinning flower, so cute, right? So, yep, so this one looks very nice too, and we've got like 2 wigs included in this set. And okay, so now let's see the next set. Let's see, so let's see the next one. The next one is a little bit like small set, nature glamping cabin set. I think it looks so cute, like cozy. And this summer, we don't really have a lot of small sets. It's mostly more like bigger sets. We just have a few small sets, and this is one of them, but I think this looks very nice, don't you think? It's a very small glamping. I think glamping is very interesting because it's more modern than camping, but I'm not so sure if this is a good news or a bad news. But like none of the sets look bad like this year. Every single set looks so pretty, like everything looks interesting, you know, like if there are new like sets, like mostly there are some Lego sets that you think it's like not that interesting, but this year everything looks interesting, like everything looks so pretty, like every single set. Anyway, we've got some like kind of like mountain bikes, and the inside looks so interesting too. We've got some beds, and on the top we also have a bed for a cat, which is super cute, right? I think this it looks so nice. It's gonna look also nice with the cozy cabin set, I think. Yeah, so like these forest sets, we actually have one more forest set. That one is the smallest set this summer. Yeah, so let's see what that set is. They all look so cute, don't you think? So the smallest set this summer is the wait a sec. Okay, so forest tea party set, and like those like 3 sets all together, it's gonna be so fun playing with them, don't you think? And Paisley's wearing a really nice dress, and the chairs are like mushrooms, and there's so many like cupcakes. So cute, right? So awesome. So we've got a frog and a squirrel. So wonderful, right? So cute. So it's like tea party in the middle of the woods. So cute, right? And this is going to look so good with the other sets, the cozy cabin set and the glamping set. And there's also like a what do you call that? Like I kind of forgot. Snail. Yeah, snail. I suddenly forgot the word snail. Anyway, there's also a small snail included in that set as well. It does look very tiny, but it's very cute, right? So this is the smallest set. Like mostly, like if there are new Lego sets, there are a few like small sets like this one. But this summer, that's the only like quite small set. The other one's actually quite big, actually. That one and the glamping set, I think those are the smallest ones. And this is like the creative like box suitcase thing, remember? This set is also really nice actually, but yeah, these like box things are quite expensive too. It's the same price as the one that was in the 2025 set, I think. I'm not so sure, maybe the price was different, but I think it's quite similar. So it's like this plastic box, and inside there's also like a swimming pool, garden, and actually quite a lot of stuff, like kitchen as well. That looks so cute, and it's like pastel tone, and I love pastel tone, you know. And oh wow, those pink mirrors look so pretty too. And oh, it's actually quite big. Maybe the model kit is small, but it does seem kind of big, don't you think? I think it's going to be so fun playing with this set as well. It looks so lovely, and it's actually quite big, but it might look small to me, but I think it looks nice. So the next set is candy and cupcake Ferris wheel set, and the price is a bit more reasonable than the other ones. Like, can you believe it? This is less expensive than the Koala set. That's just nonsense, don't you think? Like, this set looks way bigger. Anyway, anyway, this set looks really nice, don't you think? And oh, a Nova's new jacket looks so cool, and like giant cotton candies as well, and they sell a lot of stuff like dolls and stuff like that. And this was in the animation, and Paisley totally loved it, and it's kind of disappointing that Paisley is not included in this. But anyway, Leanne's new face print looks so cute too, looks so nice, right? Ferris wheel, really nice. So we've got like lots of dolls, like the ones that look like donuts and ones that kind of look like some whale and stuff like that. So cute, right? So this is the Ferris wheel set, and this is also kind of like an amusement park, right? So we have a lot of like amusement park related sets this summer. So now let's see the next one. So okay, the next one is also a quite small set, so there's only like 3 kind of like small sets. So this is a pizza truck. It's a small set, but it looks so fantastic. Like Ollie's new outfit looks so wonderful too, and oh my god, this looks so cute, right? It's a pizza truck, but they also have like a pizza oven, which is really awesome, right? And the tire wheels look like tomatoes, which is also really creative, right? And so yeah, it looks so amazing. We've got like lots of mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, and like basil and stuff like that. Oh, and the card number is also really cute. It's like pizza 4, like P1ZZ4. That's kind of like pizza 4. Because like 1 is kind of like I and 4 is kind of like A. So it's like pizza, but they put like 1 and 4. That's very creative and cute. So this was the pizza truck set. And let's see the next one. So the next one is Fun Water Park Day. Yeah, so this looks very cute too. It's very nice actually. And I think this is the only one that kind of reminds you of summer. Yeah, it's like really nice. But I don't really like summer, to be honest, because I don't like it when it's hot. But it looks nice though, and I love playing in the water. Looks so cute, right? And there's also like a guinea pig, and guess what? Churro and Dango has a new face print. Dango is wearing like sunglasses, and Churro seems like not very satisfied about something, but that looks very cute too. And like in the swimming pool, there are like dark blue circles, and they sort of look like paw prints. If you see like the photo, wait a sec, I think it's going to come out soon, the photo. Like, yeah, that one, like the paw prints, they kind of look like dark blue paw prints, right, in the water. Looks so cute. And the slide color is kind of like yeah, the color looks kind of unique as well. So yeah, I think it looks very cute. So this is the fun water park day set, and let's see the next ones. So we have one more, but that set is not in the official Lego site yet. I don't know why though. But anyway, if you see the other side over here, we can see this flower shop set, and this is the set that Astrid is included. So Astrid, the one who's getting married with like Petch. So this looks very cute too, right? There's like also Nova included in this set, and we also have like bicycle for 2 people. Looks so wonderful, right? It's much smaller than the flower shop in 2025, but this looks also really nice too. Yeah, look at all these pretty like flower vase. Looks so wonderful. So that's the inside photo, but it's kind of hard to zoom in, but it kind of looks like this. There's also like lots of flowers decorated on the walls, and it looks so cute, right? I totally love it. Looks so wonderful. We got so many flowers, and oh, this flower vase looks so nice and interesting. Looks so pretty and unique. Don't you think? Looks so fantastic. Yeah, so this is how this creative dollhouse looks like, and so there are 12 new sets this summer, but the photo of like Lego Friends advent calendar this year is also revealed. So let's also check out the advent calendar. It looks actually very nice this year. So this is how it looks like. We got about 3 dolls included. Alia, Lian, and Nova is included in this set. And so yeah, it looks, the box design looks very cute as well. And this is how it looks like, the items. So we've got lots of items, and they're very white actually. We've got like lots of white animals, like penguin, and oh, those like seals, like white seals, should I say, looks so cute too. And what's really adorable is that all the animals are wearing like little Santa hats, and the mini dolls are also like skiing, and Leanne's new outfits look also really fantastic. So these are all like 12 new summer sets and also the advent calendar, and I can't wait to see them live. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye!